Hi everyone. Today video is on usage of Bootstrap 5 model in Angular application. So here is my Angular application and it is latest version, that is 13. Okay. Now let's install Bootstrap into my application. So my command to install Bootstrap is npm install Bootstrap. Okay. Let's install. And here we can observe Bootstrap 5 is successfully installed. Okay, now go to angular.json file. Here let's configure Bootstrap CSS file and JS file. Okay, okay, now let's configure the JS file. Okay, now let's check how we can use the model pop-up in Angular application. Okay, so now go to Angular app component and go to app component.html. Okay, let's replace all this HTML. So let me add a button. So on clicking that button, my Bootstrap pop-up has to be opened. Okay. And let's add a button. Okay. Now let's add the Bootstrap model HTML. So go to the Bootstrap. Okay. Documentation and select the model. Here I am going to copy this HTML. Okay. Let me copy my model pop-up HTML here. Okay. Here one of the thing we have to remember, that is ID. Okay. This ID is important here. Okay. Because using this ID, our component will be interact with the model. Okay. Now in app component, let's declare a variable like form model any. Okay. Implement onInit lifecycle method. Here I have to assign my Bootstrap model instance to this form model variable. Okay. So how can I do that? Since we have configured JS file, right? So Bootstrap instance is available at the window level. So to read the window level, what you have to do means declare var window any. Now this variable will contain all our window instance. Okay, now what I can do, this dot form model equal to new window dot bootstrap dot model. I'm using the model instance. So to this model instance, I need to pass the element, nothing but the ID of the bootstrap model. So to do that, I can use document dot get element by ID. And let's copy my ID of my bootstrap. Okay, this form module variable can interact with the bootstrap file model pop-up. So let's create a method like open model. So here what I can do, this dot form model dot show. Show will open up the bootstrap model. Okay, and I will create one more method like do something. After doing something, I want to close my model. For that, I can use form model dot hide. Okay, so show will open the pop-up, hide will close the pop-up. So this entire interaction is carried because we have initialized the instance to this variable here. Okay. Now in the HTML, let's bind the register the methods, click methods. Let's name it like do something. means any form data saving, anything like that. Do something. Okay. Now let's run the application and test the Bootstrap model. And let me add some message here. Let me add some title. Okay. So in general, model will contains pop-up will contains title. Okay, in the header section, and any content you want to display message that should be go for the model body. Okay, this class, and any action methods that will go into the model footer. Action method means like closing the pop-up or doing something like save or anything. So this is a Bootstrap model look like. So let's run it. So here we can see our page. If I click on the button, see, now my model is open. If I click on do something, it's going to be closed. Okay, so that's all about a small demo on how to use the Bootstrap model in Angular application. I think this video has delivered some useful information to you all. If you like my video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Soon we will meet with new videos. Until then,